Hello, welcome back to Deys. Let us see how to prepare crispy Parippu Vada or Dal Vada. We need split pigeon peas or Bengal gram for this. I have 200 grams of split pigeon peas here, which is soaked in water for almost 4 hours. Keep 2 tablespoons of it aside and grind the rest of the peas to a coarse paste. We need not add any water to this. Now add in the peas which we have kept aside. Add 1 large onion finely chopped and 1 large green chili chopped. Add 1 tablespoon grated ginger and 1 tablespoon grated garlic. Also add half teaspoon cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon salt. I am adding 1 teaspoon red chili powder also. You may increase or decrease the quantity of red chili powder according to your taste. Finally add a quarter teaspoon asafoetida and combine everything well. Now take some mixture and make it into a shape of a small lemon. Then gently press with your other hand to get this shape. Heat oil in a pan kept over medium flame. Once oil is hot, place the vada one by one. After one side is nice and brown, flip it over and fry till other side also brown and crispy. Then remove from oil. We hope you will love this recipe. Like and share the video and subscribe for more recipes. Thank you.